Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to place for the most honest and in-depth looks at tools and gear. And today, we're diving into what might just be the best torque wrench for HVAC technicians, the VANPO Adjustable Digital Torque Wrench. If you're in HVAC, pipeline work, or doing installs on mini-split AC systems, you'll want to stick around for this one. First off, this isn't your ordinary torque wrench. The VANPO torque wrench offers a working range of 5 to 99.6 foot-pounds or 6.8 to 135 Newton-meters, making it perfect for a wide range of HVAC applications. Whether you're fastening delicate pipe joints or securing a mini-split, this tool gives you both power and precision. Now, what sets this wrench apart from others is its adjustable open end and smart features. It comes with a 38mm adjustable jaw and a 14 by 18mm square interface, giving you the versatility to work with multiple nut and bolt sizes. So instead of carrying several different wrenches, this one tool does the job. Let's talk tech. The wrench includes two operating modes, peak and track. In peak mode, the wrench will capture and store the highest torque value reached, which is perfect when you're doing critical tightening and need to double-check accuracy. Track mode, on the other hand, gives you real-time torque feedback, especially useful when you're slowly tightening and want to stop at just the right moment. And speaking of data, the wrench can save up to 500 sets of torque readings in its internal memory, so you have a digital record of your work. Now, this wrench doesn't just show you the numbers, it talks to you in a way. It's equipped with LED lights and a loud buzzer that goes off when your target torque is reached. So even in a noisy job site or a dimly lit crawl space, you're not going to miss the signal that says, "Hey, you're good to go." The LCD screen is large, clear, and backlit. VANPO has added double-layer screen protection, which makes it a lot more resistant to damage from drops or rough handling. The display gives you readings in 4 different measurement units: nm, ft.lb, in.lb, and kg.cm. Which is great if you're switching between systems or working internationally. Build quality? Top-notch. This wrench is made from chrome vanadium steel combined with ABS industrial-grade plastic. It's pre-calibrated straight from the factory, so it's ready to use right out of the box. Plus, it meets major standards like ISO 6789, GB, T15729, and ASME B107.14M. Meaning it's not just smart, it's also certified. Just one heads up. Be sure to install the battery the right way and always stay within the torque range. Overloading it will mess with its accuracy, and that defeats the purpose of having a precision tool. So who is this torque wrench really for? If you're an HVAC technician working with mini splits or any pressurized piping systems, this tool is practically made for you. The precision, the ease of use, the digital memory, it all adds up to a wrench that saves you time and reduces the chance of error on every job. There you have it, the VANPO Adjustable Digital Torque Wrench. Smart, strong, and seriously built for the field. If you're ready to take your work to the next level, this tool is definitely worth the investment. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another gear breakdown. See you in the next one.